Hello everyone, hope you people are doing well. Alright, so today we got a phone with us, that is T2 Pro, VIVO T2 Pro, and we ordered it from Flipkart itself, and we got it at across more than like 24,000 to 25,000. I'm not pretty sure about the budget, but it was between 24,000 to 25,000. And today is 23rd of Feb 2024. Today only I got this, and I'm gonna unpack this. So here we go. And this it's all about VIVO T2 Pro. Okay, so actually it was launched by IQ primarily. Then after they realized like this IQ Z2 Pro was not that much aware that time, and people was not giving it a kind of, there was a kind of trust issue came into the picture as well. Like people was thinking, what is this company IQ? So the same model launched by VIVO itself. Okay, the same model got launched by the VIVO itself, and the hardware and every single specs are same. So after IQ there is T2 Pro, and yeah, this is the box. So let's open the box, let's cut the seal. So we cut the seal, and here we go. Yes, it's like that only. Alright, so here it is a phone. Let's see what they are providing into box. We will check out the phone later time. Alright, and this is a sticker, IMI number, IMI 123 serial number and all. Then let's see what else they are providing. Okay, it's a warranty card along with a cover, a nice cover. Okay, transparent cover, fine, good material, along with a charger as well. Okay, so these are warranty card, manual, and there's a set of data cable. One data cable they provided. This is a type C cable, and this is, I guess, a lightning turbocharger. Yes, yeah, I guess it is a, yes, flash charge. Yeah, flash charge is there into the picture. Okay, that's fine. So let's see phone how it looks like, and I have ordered color black. Okay, carbon black. So let's see how does it look like, and we're gonna have a look up of this one. Okay, and okay, okay, let's see how does it look like. Oh my gosh, give me some time, I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, unpacking it. It's like that only. Oh my fucking gosh, that's awesome. See the color, man, how is it reflecting? Like, there's a difference. If it will start glaring and giving you a crinkle effect now, this camera side, then it will become plainer side, and once it will giving you a crinkle and a sparkle effect at the same time, the camera part will become like simpler and smoother. So this is the camera, aural light OIS ported, got two camera along with a flashlight. And yes, this is the dimension of the phone. It's totally bezel-lit display along with bezel-lit display, and it is something written over here. What is it written over here? It's written like professional portrait. Fine, it's awesome. It's so handy, yeah. It's so handy phone. Oh my fucking gosh. Okay, so yeah, you will not get any kind of a scratch over here. The phone is very sleek and light at the same time. Oh my gosh, I liked it. So let's turn on the phone. Okay, VIVO 5G. Okay, it's a 5G phone actually. And let's see. It's an AMOLED display basically. And let's see. So it's my second phone what I have ordered so far for this series. The same hardware carries on with the IQ model Z2 Pro. Okay, hello, start. Accessibility English. Okay, so all languages, and English US. I'm choosing English US. Start. India. I have agreed. I have read. Next. Connecting to Wi-Fi. I got a Wi-Fi over here. MR 4G, MR 5G. Okay, it's fine. I'm just skipping it for now. Next. Set up offline. Continue. Kolkata IST 5:30. The fingerprint, they are asking to set up my fingerprint. Let's skip this one as well. Okay, send usage and diagnostic data. Agreed. app permission and services recommendations. Agreed. Weather smart app. Select a system navigation mode. It will be a 3-button navigation or gesture navigation. So I'm choosing her 3-button navigation because I like the standard thing. Fun touch OS. It is also loaded with the same OS. Okay, congratulations. Your phone is ready for now. Let's see, let's check this out. The display, oh my fucking gosh, it's so awesome. The display is really very awesome. I'm just getting impressed by the display part only. Really, I'm telling you guys, it's really very awesome. The display is very awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth to operate this phone. Okay, it's awesome, man. I liked it. So let's open up let's see the speed of the phone. I'm opening the Google Chrome. Okay, welcome to Google Chrome. Actually, it's the very first time, that's why it's being a little bit of lag or something for those. It's working properly, man. iManager. Okay, that's fine. So this is all about VIVO T2PRO. All right, see this. Okay. No, it cannot be done like that. All right. So it's like that only, and nothing but creativity. We're getting the bezel-less side, and this is the very beauty of the phone actually. And I love this phone, yeah. I love this phone actually. I'm in love with this sexiest phone. On this budget, you will not get any kind of phone on this budget for 26,000, and it's yes, I have bought it for the second time, and I was really very impressed from the very first version of this phone that was launched by the house of iQOO, and it was also the parent company was of Vivo itself. So all the very best. If you are going to buy this one, you will have this one from Flipkart. If you want to buy iQOO, so you can buy iQOO from the Amazon. And what I would recommend, that if you are getting iQOO more in lesser price, then definitely you can go for iQOO as well. If you are getting VIVO T2PRO in lesser supply, then you can go for VIVO T2, because the reselling value of VIVO T2 is far more better than iQOO, because everyone is very much aware about VIVO. Right, let's click some picture as well. I'm showing you the camera. I agree, I have read the privacy part. I agreed. Okay, it's awesome, man. The camera is fine. Okay, let's click some pics. Okay, it's awesome, it's fine, yeah. I liked it. Okay. Okay, yeah, actually I like the camera as well. It's fine, it's awesome.